Verb be. Verb be has three forms: am, is, are. And we use these three forms differently with the 7 pronouns we have in English: I, he, she, it, they, we, you. I takes am, I am, he is, she is, it is, they are, we are, you are. And the negative form is the same, but we just add not. I am not, he is not, she is not, it is not, they are not, we are not, you are not. And because people are lazy, they made up short forms of this verb, like to help them speak a little bit faster. Like instead of saying I am, they say I'm, by removing the A from am and putting apostrophe instead, like this, I'm. And for is, we replace the I with apostrophe, he's, she's, it's. And for are, we replace the A with apostrophe, they are becomes their, we are becomes we're, and sometimes we're, you are becomes your. The negative. The short form of I am not is I'm not, but for is not, we can contract it by removing the O from not and putting apostrophe instead. He is not becomes he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. And the same for are not. We remove the O and put apostrophe. They aren't, we aren't, you aren't. Well, that's all about verb to be and its short forms. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. A question that starts with a helping verb like are is a yes or no question. You answer it with yes or no. Then you change are you into I am. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Can we contract I am into I'm? Like yes, I'm? Wrong. We can't contract short answers with yes. So this answer is wrong. But this one is correct. No, I'm not. Same here. No, I'm not. So this is the correct answer. And this is wrong because I'm is missing here. Blank, our teacher over there. This is our teacher over there, or that is our teacher over there, or these or those. What's the difference, guys? Well, here you are, and here is a flower next to you. Then you say, this is a flower. But if the flower is far from you, you can say, that is a flower. So we use this for near things, and that for far things. If you have more than a flower here, you say these. These is plural of this. And plural of that is those. So again, this for one thing, near. That for one thing, far. These for more than one, near. And those for more than one, far. Our teacher is only one person, right? And when I say over there, means he's far. So one thing, far. For one thing, far. So that is our teacher over there. Where's my jacket? Here it is, or here is it. Listen, guys, when you find something, you say it is here, or you just start with here and say here it is. So it is in both ways. Is it is wrong. So here it is the correct answer. Give yourself a mark on each one and write your mark in the comments. Blank was very nice. They, you, she. The keyword here is was. Was is the past of be. Be in the past is was or were. We use was with I, he, she, it. And we use were with they, we, you. Which of these take was? She takes was. So this is the answer. She was very nice. Blank, talk to John. He's very busy. Don't, no, not. Listen, guys, when we order someone to do something, we start with the verb. We say, open the door, wash the car. But when we ask someone not to do something, we start with don't. Don't open the door. Don't wash the car. So don't is the correct answer here. Don't talk to John. I, blank, very happy when I saw her. Was, were. I. Does it take was or were, guys? Look at this rule again and answer.